Hi everyone, this is Pete. Today I'm so excited to introduce you my new custom built gaming rig. I built this in the awesome NZXT H500 Boy limited edition gaming case. I believe only 1,000 of these cases were made nationwide. This build consists of the GiGaByte Z370 HD3 gaming motherboard, and I've installed the i7 9700 CPU, and this processor is actually cooling by the Corsair H115i RGB 280mm AIO liquid cooler. Also, I have 2 sticks of G-Skill Sniper X 32 gigs of DDR4. And as always, I complete with my build with the graphics card. This time I have the Asus GeForce GTX 1080 Turbo GPU. I will run a benchmark later with this GPU and along with the other components. This build is extremely quiet and it's super powerful, and it will support a lot of Steam games, Battle.net, many PC games, and this rig will have no problem running Fortnite, Overwatch, League of Legends, and many more. I hope you guys like my build. Thank you so much for watching, and please give me a thumbs up.